Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have reviewed a list of the best rescue knives out here. Let's get started with the videos. Of analysis number 10. StatGear T3 Tactical Auto. As compared to other rescue knives, this product excels in stability and durability. It prides itself in its very sharp and shiny 440C grade stainless steel blade. It also has a heavy-duty nylon pouch for convenient storage. This rescue knife can easily cut cord, fiber, jeans, and other hard materials. Year in the top analysis number 9. Smith & Wesson CKSUR1 10.5 inches. The knife is 10.5 inches long, while its blade is 6.03 inches long, and its handle is 4.47 inches long. This is a reasonably good knife for recreational activities. It is lightweight yet reasonably sturdy, made of good quality materials, and feels good in the hand. Look analysis number 8. Smith & Wesson SWFRS 8 inches high. This may be the most durable rescue knife for professionals who are looking for a rugged knife that is easy to use. This folding knife has a stainless steel blade and handle with G10 black inserts, a compact pocket clip, a seat belt cutter, and window punch. This rescue knife will make it easy for you to cut through husky fibrous materials. This knife. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best rescue knife or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Coming number 7 analysis. BlizeTec survival knife. This rescue knife can multitask. The functional components of this pocket-sized stainless steel survival tool are its blade lock, a bright LED flashlight, drop point blade with serrated saw, magnesium alloy fire starter, pocket clip, seat belt cutter, and a window breaker. These features make this knife ideal for emergencies and disaster preparedness. At number 5. Cold Steel SRK Kraton handle. Weighing 2.9 ounces, this rescue knife has a partially serrated 420 titanium-coated stainless steel blade, which locks open or closed. This knife also comes with a tempered glass breaker. You get reliable strength, corrosion resistance, and edge retention from the non-reflective coating of the knife's blade. Coming number 5 analysis. Kershaw Barricade Multifunction. This rescue knife has a VOS 8A stainless steel blade. The knife weighs 8.2 ounces, and its blade is 6 inches long. The tang of the knife is encased in a handle made of thick Kraton, a high-density rubber commonly used in survival knives handles due to its rubbery qualities that absorb shock, according to Outdoor Hole. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best rescue knife or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Look analysis number 4. Kershaw Barricade Multifunction. Here's another orange rescue knife. Weighing 4.5 ounces, this knife is 8.5 inches long when open and 5 inches long when closed. Its steel blade, which is 3.5 inches long, has black oxide coating for added protection. Other features include speed-safe assisted opening, a liner lock. Of analysis number 3. Snake Eye Tactical Spring Assisted. This orange rescue knife weighs 5 ounces, and its overall length is 7.75 inches, but it is 4.5 inches long when closed. Its blade is 3.25 inches long, and it has a 440 stainless steel blade, and its black and orange aluminum handle features a rubber EMT logo. At number 2. ANVIL BLADESMITHS. The total length of this waterproof rescue knife is 8.25 inches, while its 8CR13 mauve blade is 3.25 inches long. You are given the option to choose between a partially serrated blade or a straight one. The knife also has a glass breaker, a belt clip, and a seat belt or paracord cutter. At number 1. Gerber Hinderer Rescue Knife. Weighing 12 ounces, this rescue knife was designed by knife maker and firefighter Rick Hinderer, who integrated into this knife the most important features needed by firefighters, according to Knife Center. It is highly recommended for emergency medical services, EMS, paramedics and firefighters. If you need to save someone or something by prying a door open. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please like this and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. For more information about this video and products, please follow the links below in the video description.